Hey there, learners. I'm Pyter Python, and this is my buddy Lazlo. We're here to talk about something super important, personal responsibility.
Yeah, responsibility and stuff. Wait, what are we talking about again? Just 5 more minutes. Oh no! Oh no! What time is it? The assignment was due this morning.
Meanwhile, across campus, some students had been prepared. But Lazlo was about to learn a hard lesson about deadlines. Let me double check everything for tomorrow's lab. Safety goggles, check. Lab coat, check. Pre-lab questions completed, check. Being prepared means I can focus on learning instead of scrambling.
Another notification. Lab tomorrow. Whatever. I'll figure it out. This game is way more important right now.
Lazlo, when you don't complete your part, it affects all of us. We were counting on you. We're a team. That means we all need to do our share.
I didn't think it was that big a deal. Can't someone else just cover my part? Oh man, you guys really were depending on me, weren't you?
These results don't look right. Let me double check my calculations. Oh no, I made an error in my formula. I need to tell the instructor right away.
Instead of hiding his mistake, Pyter chose honesty. Sometimes taking responsibility means admitting when we're wrong. And that's actually a sign of strength, not weakness.
Wow, look at you, Lazlo. You've really turned things around. See how good it feels when people can count on you?
You know what? It actually feels amazing. Thanks for not giving up on me, Pyter. Taking responsibility isn't just about avoiding trouble. It's about earning respect and feeling proud of yourself.